Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change font color on Canva. So as you can see here, I've already opened my design on Canva or the design on Canva. And if you want to change the font color, it's so easy. You can just click on the fonts that you want to change its color, and you find the A menu, the text color menu at the top toolbar here. Just click on this, and here you'll see the colors option that you can choose to change this color. For example, I want to change it into this or this, or you can also change it based on the photo colors. I'm going to use this. And if you want to change another other fonts color, you can just click on this and choose again, choose the color that you want to change it into, like this. Okay, that's all from me. It's so easy to change the font in Canva. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye bye.